What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. I am back for another video. Hey, how you doing? It is November and it's about to be December. Where did time go? Christmas is coming up on us. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so I'm excited and I'm giddy. But we are not here for that. As you can tell from the title, I am about to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. Okay, so guys, so I just wanted to do this challenge because I think I can make it, because I think I do my makeup pretty fast, depending on who's asking. Anyway, so 5-minute makeup challenge is on, guys. I really honestly do my makeup super fast in real life. I don't know if I do it in 5 minutes though, but we will see. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start my timer, and guys, y'all, I'm stressed out. Wait, so timer for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna do my makeup all the way to 5 minutes. If I don't finish my makeup in 5 minutes, I'm gonna finish it off camera and then I'm gonna come back to close the video, because I'm not about to go outside like that halfway done, because I don't know, 5 minutes seems a little small. But let's see. Do you think I can make it? Comment down below. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe right now and then put your notification on so you know every time when I drop a new video. And also comment down below, let me know what you think of my videos or what you think about this video. If you have any advice on makeup, on stuff, girl talk, boy talk, any talk is welcome over here, and I will catch you in the comment section responding to you. Let's go. Let me just get my mirror close to me, because I don't got time to be having no time. I don't got time to be having no time. So and then I think it's far enough. I can see from here. Closer, a little closer. Okay, that's better. So I'm ready to start my makeup, putting my timer on. Guys, cheer me in the comment section. Tell me you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it, you can do it. You can do it. You know what, I'm gonna remove this because this is just not gonna help me. I feel like I'm going with like in a marathon, you know. Serious business here. So I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Go start. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, so we'll start with the foundation using Fenty Beauty. Oh my god, see, this is why I don't like rushing. I already messed up my top. This is taking a lot of minutes. It's taking time away from my time. I don't have no time for that. So I'm just gonna buff it away. Buff it away. 5-minute makeup challenge. 5-minute makeup challenge. 5-minute makeup challenge. You know what, the makeup, the foundation has to be flawless, so I don't even mind taking my time here. I think it's going to be the foundation and the eyebrows that's going to take most of my time. The rest of the stuff I do pretty fast. So woo! I only have 3 minutes left. No. 3 minutes? I'm not gonna do everything in 3 minutes. It's just impossible. It's impossible. Okay, I'm gonna go to my eyebrows, because you know what, a girl gotta do what a girl gotta do fast. Oh my god, 3 minutes. Why did it go for 3 minutes? Like, oh God. Just gonna fill it in nicely. We brought them to the side. I'm not gonna look at the watch for like a little bit because it's stressing me out. Stressing me out. 5 minutes, guys. These bras take 5 minutes on their own. So you know what? I'm just not even gonna do everything that I do for my brows today. I'm just gonna skip all of that extra stuff and I'm gonna go straight into my eyeshadow because I had the nerve to bring some lashes. Girl, who told you you would even have time for lashes? Just gonna do a little bit of color to the eyes. Oh my God, I hate how my screen just closes and open it back, but that's gonna take my time. Okay, 1 minute? 1 minute left. 1 minute. Okay. One minute left. 1 minute left. Oh, oh. 57 seconds left. I'm gonna put some mascara. No, that's mascara. I'm gonna go to the lips. Seconds. 32 seconds. Lip gloss. Okay, so far I feel like I'm okay like this, so I'm gonna go in quickly and just add more things that I feel like I forgot. I didn't have time. I'm gonna put my mascara on. Okay, so guys, what do you think of my makeup in 5 minutes? Honestly, I don't even mind it. I would go out like this. I don't spend too much time on makeup unless I want to, you know. And these days I don't really be wanting to that much because most of the time I'm just not in the mood. It's a lot of work, and I think like I would do my makeup like this anyways. So the basic is done. I have my eyebrows filled in. Eesh, these eyebrows, I just need to do a little contouring. So guys, enjoy the rest of this video. Watch me finish up my makeup in speed, then I will catch you guys when the makeup is completely done. Okay. So guys, I did my makeup in another probably, oh, I should have checked to see how long it really took me to do my makeup. It would have been great to find out how long it took me to do this makeup. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to my channel, I appreciate you. Appreciate every single person that subscribed to my channel. Your comments, your likes, keep them coming. More actually. Sometimes people just watch, they don't like. I don't understand that. Don't watch and don't like. The moment you click on the video and you start listening, 1 minute into the video, you've already invested your time. Just like it. It's free. Please. Then yeah, that's it for the 5-minute makeup challenge. Was it a fail? I don't think it was a fail because I think I did a decent looking something in 5 minutes that I would have still done and went outside with. But because I feel like doing my makeup for real, I had to carry on and finish it through. So this will be the end of my video. Thank you, and I will catch you in the next video. So it's only been 20 good minutes since I kissed you. Come back, boo, I miss you. And boy, I got you loving on my mind. Loving on my mind. You got me wrapped up, ribbon with a bow warning.
About me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.